Ready to turn your digital memories into stunning wall art without breaking the bank? First, head to the Walmart Photo Center website. Just search Walmart Photo on Google. Then, click on Posters and Enlargements to explore the wide range of options. You'll see tons of sizes, from 11 by 14 inches all the way up to giant 20 by 30 inch prints. Note the price differences as you select your size. Now, upload your photo. Pro tip: make sure your image is high resolution for the best results. Blurry photos look even blurrier and blown up. Choose your preferred finish: glossy for vibrant colors, matte for a softer look, or metallic for a unique shimmer. You can even add a border or some text to personalize your print. Once you're happy, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout, selecting either in-store pickup or delivery. Pickup is super convenient and often faster. And there you have it, a beautiful, affordable way to display your favorite memories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more photo printing tips. #WalmartPhoto #photo printing.